So, I'm walking on Siesta Key. Here's a flock of seagulls. I want you to see what happens when I walk through them. It's the craziest thing ever, man. In the past, by now, some of those aren't seagulls. I'm not sure what those are. These guys right here. But in the past, by now, they would have all flown away. They're basically just getting out of my way. It is the weirdest thing ever, man. They are not afraid of humans. In fact, they'll probably think I have food in my bag of shells. So I'm covering my bag of shells right now so they don't attack me. Can you believe this? And those of you who lived in Florida, or especially, look at this guy. He's not even going anywhere. But if you've lived on Siesta Key or been to Siesta Key before, you know what I'm talking about. This is the craziest thing. I'm on my way back. So, this is what happened on the way there. I was walking to the Point of Rocks. So I thought, I'm going to videotape this, man. That's crazy. Let's go. I'm chasing this dude. Go. He finally flew away. So they are all still there. Thinking I'm probably going to feed them. I'm not. I don't have any food. And we're approaching. Where are you, yellow lifeguards, man? The yellow lifeguards, man.